We're starting a new series called Dealer Advantage, where we're going to focus on the growth and profits of our dealer partners in today's retailing environment. What are some of the things that you've done to create that flexible experience that people want today?
The key word is flexibility. With the use of digital retailing, it helps us to best meet the consumer where they are in their buying journey. So our digital retailing engagement, lead sales, everything, it jumped up 150, 200%. And I thought that when COVID restrictions would start pulling back, that we would see that engagement start to drop with it. It never stopped.
What's the biggest benefit that you see of all this stuff working together?
Well, I'm going to sum it up in dealership's favorite word, and that is gross. Because when we measure our digital retailing deals versus other deals that we work from other sources, we're seeing a 22% higher gross per unit. I got to tell you, last year we were all just scared to death in the spring. But part of what I love about being in the automotive industry is that we just adapt and overcome.
To see the rest of that interview, go to cbtnews.com and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.